Unang-una, ako po yung nagtataka, Ginoong Pangulo, pagka po pala si Senator Ping Lacson ang magdi-deliver ng privilege speech, wala pa po tayong nate-take up na kahit ano. Siya pala ay masyadong special dito sa chamber natin. Kasi po, pagka kami, lalong-lalo na ako, minsan patatapusin na lahat muna. Aabot po ng halos alas 7 hanggang alas 8 ng gabi. Kaya kung minsan po, pag ako nagdi-deliver ng speech, wala na si Senator Lacson. Ganun po pala siya ka-importante.
Majority Leader, I think you should answer that particular
Yes, Mr. President,
statement.
yung privilege speeches, alam mo, dalawang linggo na lang po naiiwan with due respect to Senator Marcoleta. Talagang tinutulak natin yung legislation. Una, yung privilege speeches, we put always, and it's been a practice in the past, in the tail end of the discussions, because the privilege speeches can take up a lot of time. Yung nangyari po kasi kahapon, sa speech ni Senator Marcoleta, with due respect to the two sides, binanggit po niya yung pangalan ni Senator Lacson. So it is obvious that Senator Lacson would like to respond. So usually when it is personal and collective privilege, especially when they're trying to defend themselves, kasi gusto mong i-defend sana ang sarili mo, binibigyan po natin ng pagkakataon. Ang senador na tumayo at any given point in time. Kaya kung sinabi din po sa akin ni Senator Marcoleta kahapon na ito po ay personal and collective dahil galit ako kay Senator Lacson, ginawa kong agad-agad. Pero hindi po niya kwento sa akin ano yung purpose ng kanyang speech. Kaya nung linapitan niya po ako first speech, binabigyan po natin Senator Tulfo muna, pagkatapos si Senator Tulfo, Senator Marcoleta naman po. Pero yung laman po ng speech ni Senator Marcoleta ay binabanatan isang membro ng Senado. Obviously, that member of the Senate will stand and defend themselves. We have to give them priority. It goes for any member of the Senate, Mr. President. We will give that privilege to any member of the Senate.